Welcome to Real Pop English. I'm Tom.
I'm Ellie.
We're gonna visit McDonald's.
Everyone in the world knows McDonald's, but ordering in English can be a little scary. Yeah.
Please don't worry.
Yes.
We'll show you exactly how to do it.
First, I'll show you how to use the kiosk.
And I'll show you how to order at the counter.
We'll also learn how to fix a wrong order.
And finally, we're gonna use the drive-thru for some coffee.
Before we start, here's today's viewer quiz.
Listen carefully to our conversation.
What kind of milk do I choose for my latte? Is it whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk?
Please repeat the sentences out loud with us.
Find the answer and leave it in the comments below. Are you ready to learn real English?
Let's jump right into the video.
Ellie, I'm super hungry today.
Me too, Tom.
Look at those big golden arches.
The big yellow M is everywhere in America.
It always makes my mouth water.
The parking lot is totally full today.
A lot of people want to eat fast food for lunch.
Did you know McDonald's started a long time ago?
I think it started in 1940.
Yes, you're exactly right.
But they didn't sell burgers at first.
Really?
Yes, they actually sold barbecue.
Wow, that's a crazy story.
Then they changed their whole menu.
They started selling burgers and French fries.
A burger only cost 15 cents back then.
That's incredibly cheap.
They also made a very fast cooking system.
They wanted to give people food quickly.
That's why we call it fast food today.
It's a brilliant idea.
I smell the French fries from here.
The smell is making me even more hungry.
We should hurry up and go inside.
Let's find the front door.
Here it is. Let's go in.
Wow, it's really busy inside.
The line for the counter is very long.
But there are two ways to order here.
Yes, we can use the screen. Or we can talk to a person.
You're really good with machines. I'll use the kiosk machine over there.
I'll wait in line. I want to talk to the cashier.
A cashier is the person working at the counter.
I like ordering face to face.
I'll explain the kiosk to our viewers.
You can show them the exact menu pictures.
That's a great idea.
I'll meet you near the counter later.
Sounds good. See you in a bit. Hello, everyone. I'm standing in front of the kiosk. A kiosk is a huge touchscreen machine. You can order your food without talking to anyone. It's very easy and simple to use. First, I touch the screen to start. Now it asks, eat in or take out. I want to eat here. So I'm going to touch the Eat In button. Look at all these beautiful pictures. The menu is divided into categories. Let's tap on the Burgers button. This one is the Quarter Pounder with cheese. It has a very big beef patty. It costs $6.39. Next to it is the Filet-O-Fish. It's a special burger with fried fish. And down here is the Happy Meal. A Happy Meal is a small meal for kids. It comes with a cute toy inside. But today, I want a classic cheeseburger meal. I'll tap the picture of the cheeseburger meal. The screen asks me to choose my side. I'm gonna choose medium French fries. Next, it asks me to pick a beverage. Beverage is just another word for drink. I'll tap the beverages screen. I'm gonna choose a medium Sprite. Now I can customize my burger. Customize means to change the ingredients. I really don't like onions. So, I'll press the Customize button. I tap no onions on the screen. It's so easy to change my order. Now I touch Add to Order. My order is complete. So I'll press Pay. The subtotal is $7.19. But we always have to pay tax in America. The tax is 61 cents. So my total is $8.20. You can pay with a credit card here. You just insert your card into the slot. But I'm gonna pay with my phone. I just hold my phone near the card reader. It made a beep sound. My payment is completely finished. Look, the machine is printing a receipt. My order number is printed on the top. I'm number 52. I'll wait for them to call my number. Here. Now let's see how Tom is doing.
Hi guys, I'm at the counter now. I'll show you how to order from a cashier. The line is finally moving. It's my turn to order.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac, please?
Do you want the sandwich or the meal?
In America, a meal means a combo. It comes with a burger, fries, and a drink. I'll take the meal, please.
What size would you like?
Medium is fine.
What kind of drink do you want with that?
I'll take a Coke.
Is that everything for you today?
Oh, wait a minute. I want to add something else. Can I also get a 10-piece chicken McNuggets?
Sure, 10-piece chicken McNuggets. What kind of dipping sauce do you want?
What sauces do you have?
We have BBQ, sweet and sour, ranch, and mustard.
I'll take the sweet and sour sauce, please.
Will all of this be for here or to go?
For here means eating inside the restaurant. To go means taking the food outside. For here, please.
The subtotal is $13.06. The tax is $1.04. So your total is $14.10.
I'm gonna pay with my credit card. I insert my card into the machine.
Please remove your card. Here's your receipt. Your order number is 53.
Thank you very much.
We'll call your number when it's ready.
Ordering at the counter is very easy, right? Just listen to the cashier. Then answer simple questions. Now I need to find Ellie. Hey Ellie, did you finish ordering?
Yes, I'm order number 52.
I'm order number 53. But wait, the cashier only gave me an empty cup.
That's perfectly normal in America.
Where do I get my Coke?
You have to get it yourself.
Oh, I see the drink fountain over there.
Let's go fill up your cup.
This machine looks very cool.
First, you push this lever for ice.
Okay, I got a lot of ice.
Now find the button for Coke.
I found it right here.
Just press the button and fill your cup.
Wow, I can get as much as I want.
Yes, you can even mix different sodas.
Do I have to pay for a refill later?
No, refills are completely free.
Free refills are the best part of fast food.
Now let's grab some napkins.
Where are the napkins?
They're right next to the fountain.
I'll grab a few for us.
We should get some ketchup packets too.
I found them in this small box. I'll grab a bunch of ketchup.
Order number 52.
That's my number. I'll go get my food. Thank you.
Order number 53.
And that's my number. Thank you very much. This tray is very heavy.
You ordered a lot of food. That table over there looks nice and clean.
Perfect. Let's sit down and eat. I'm so excited to eat my Big Mac.
Open the box and take a bite.
Wait a minute.
What's wrong?
This isn't a Big Mac.
Really? What is it?
This is a filet-o-fish burger.
Oh no, they made a mistake.
I definitely ordered a Big Mac.
Let me check my bag. My cheeseburger is correct.
What about my chicken McNuggets? Ah, the nuggets are in here. But my main burger is wrong.
You should go back to the counter.
Do you think they'll be angry?
No, mistakes happen all the time. Just be polite and tell them.
Okay, I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think there is a mistake with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry. What's the problem?
I ordered a Big Mac, but I got a filet-o-fish instead. Here's my receipt to check.
Let me see that. You're completely right. I'm so sorry about that. We mixed up the boxes in the kitchen.
That's okay, no problem.
I'll make a fresh Big Mac for you right away.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Here's your new Big Mac. And here's a free apple pie for the trouble.
Wow, you didn't have to do that.
Have a great meal.
Thank you so much. I'm back, and I have good news.
Did you get your Big Mac?
Yes, and I got a free apple pie too.
See? It's always good to ask nicely.
Finally, it's time to eat.
I'm starving.
This Big Mac looks absolutely delicious.
It's a very tall burger.
Yes, it has 3 pieces of bread. How do you eat a Big Mac without making a mess?
It's impossible, Tom.
Let me try to take a big bite. Oh no, this is falling everywhere.
I told you.
I need about 10 napkins for this burger.
Here, let me give you a napkin.
Thank you.
Your French fries look really hot and crispy.
They're the best fries in the world.
Can I steal one fry?
Just one? You always say just one.
Okay, maybe 3 fries.
Hey, get your own fries.
I'm claiming the fry tax.
You're too funny. I'm gonna try my chicken McNuggets now.
Did you get the sweet and sour sauce?
Yes, it's the perfect dip for nuggets.
It's sweet and tangy at the same time.
I'm eating so much food today. My throat is getting a little dry. I need a sip of my Coke.
People say McDonald's soda tastes better.
It's true. It feels very crispy in my mouth.
How can a liquid be crispy?
I don't know, it's just magic.
We're eating a lot of calories today.
We can go for a long walk tomorrow.
Today is our cheat day.
Exactly. No diets today.
Eat your free apple pie while it's hot.
Oh right, I almost forgot about it. This is the best lunch ever.
Wow, I'm completely full.
I ate every single fry.
I can't eat another bite.
We really did a good job.
Now we have to clean up our table.
We can't leave our trash here.
Let's put everything on your tray.
Okay, pass me your empty wrappers.
Where's the trash can?
I see one near the exit door.
Let's carry the tray over there.
You push the flap to throw away the trash.
Do I throw away the plastic cup too?
Empty the ice into the sink first. Then you can throw the cup away.
Okay, all the paper and plastic are in the trash.
What should I do with this tray?
Just put the tray flat on top of the trash can.
It's very easy to clean up.
Yes, 'cause it keeps the restaurant clean for others.
Let's walk outside now.
Oh wow, the sun is very bright.
The weather is beautiful today.
Eating a big burger makes me feel sleepy.
I agree. My eyes are feeling heavy.
I definitely need some coffee to wake up.
I want to get an iced coffee too.
Should we go back inside?
No, let's just use the drive-thru.
That's a brilliant idea.
We can order coffee right from our car.
We don't have to walk anymore.
Let's get in the car. We'll drive around the building.
Fasten your seatbelt.
I'll slowly drive into the drive-thru lane. Look, there's a very big menu board here.
Roll down your window.
There's a speaker box right next to my window.
Welcome to McDonald's. Order whenever you're ready.
Hello, can I get one large iced coffee?
Do you want any cream or sugar in that?
Yes, please put cream and sugar in it.
Okay, one large iced coffee with cream and sugar.
Ellie, what do you want to drink?
I want something sweeter to wake me up. Can you order an iced vanilla latte for me?
Sure, I'll order a medium size. Excuse me, can I also get a medium iced vanilla latte?
Yes, a medium iced vanilla latte. Is whole milk okay for the latte?
Ellie, is whole milk okay?
Actually, I prefer oat milk. Ask if they have oat milk.
Do you guys have oat milk?
Yes, we can make it with oat milk.
Great, please use oat milk for the latte.
No problem. I got it. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all.
Your total is $6.50. Please pull forward to the first window.
Wow, ordering from the car is so fun.
It's very fast and convenient.
I'm driving to the first window now.
The first window is always for paying.
Oh, here's the cashier.
Hi, your total is $6.50.
I'm gonna pay with a $10 bill. Here you go.
Thank you. And here's your change. You can pick up your drinks at the next window.
Have a great day.
Now drive up to the second window.
The second window is for picking up our drinks.
Here's your large iced coffee and medium oat milk latte.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. That was so easy.
My vanilla latte looks so delicious. The oat milk makes it very creamy.
Now, we have energy to drive safely.
I really enjoyed our meal and our drinks.
Me too. Let's go home now.
Welcome back.
Did you have fun learning with us today?
We learned a lot of real, useful English.
We learned how to use the kiosk machine.
We also learned how to order at the counter.
We even learned how to fix a wrong order.
And please don't forget the drive-thru.
McDonald's is a great place to practice your English.
Did you remember our viewer quiz from earlier?
What kind of milk did I choose for my latte?
Did you find the exact answer?
Please leave your answer in the comments down below.
Thank you so much for watching Real Pop English today.
If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and comment.
Keep practicing your English every single day.
See you in the next video. Bye!